Okay, let's go ahead and finish up our overview of modernism. Now, in this slide, you see the fragments, right? Talked about fragmentation being the guiding principle. So when we look at all of these different fragments, stoicism, pessimism, experimentation, anti-hero, images, symbols, alienation, loss of hope, what our job as the reader is to find a way to take all these different pieces and make a whole. Now, one thing that many readers of modernism point out is that the different works of modernism will not be using all of these different pieces of the puzzle. Sometimes they'll just be using, maybe 3 or 4, other times, 6. It just depends. And please remember, fragmentation is the lack of a guiding principle. So since there's no guiding principle in modernism, that becomes the guiding principle, and that's what we call fragmentation. So lastly, a good working definition of modernism, it's any work that represents the breakdown of traditional values and institutions under the pressures of society. And this is the famous painting, The Scream. And this is another work of modernism. So we move into modernism. We're going to expect to have the different works challenge us. A lot of people get kind of depressed with modernism because it's so bleak. And that's just a true reflection. That's just, an output of what we have. So I hope you enjoy moving forward into modernism.